10 Best Exercises to Get Bigger Triceps at Home. Sure, here are 10 exercises to get bigger triceps that you can do at home. Diamond push-ups. This exercise targets the triceps and is similar to a regular push-up, but your hands are close together in a diamond shape. Dips. All you need for this exercise is a sturdy chair or bench. Place your hands on the edge of the chair or bench and dip your body up and down to work your triceps. Tricep push-ups. This variation of the push-up involves bringing your hands close to your body, with your elbows tucked in. This puts more emphasis on the triceps. Close grip bench press. Lie on a bench or floor and hold a weight with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower the weight to your chest, then push it back up to the starting position. Tricep kickbacks. Hold a weight in one hand and bend your arm to bring the weight up to your chest. Then, extend your arm back behind you to work your triceps. Tricep dips on a chair. Sit on a chair and place your hands behind you on the edge. Slowly lower your body down, then push back up to the starting position. Overhead tricep extensions. Hold a weight with both hands and raise it above your head. Slowly lower the weight behind your head, then raise it back up. Reverse grip push-ups. These push-ups involve placing your hands shoulder width apart with your palms facing towards you. Lower your body down, then push back up. Close grip push-ups. These push-ups involve placing your hands close together, with your thumbs touching. Lower your body down, then push back up. Tricep dips on a staircase. Place your hands on a stair, with your feet on the ground. Slowly lower your body down, then push back up to work your triceps. Remember to focus on proper form and technique for each exercise to get the most out of your tricep workout.